You can purchase this hair from my website, which is kirasbeautybar.com. Right here I'm showing you a 12 and a 10 inch as well as a 14 inch 13 by 6 frontal. This is in the color 613, and the origin of the hair is raw Southeast Asian. Okay, first I'm going to take Electric Lime from Adore, and I'm also going to take Electric Yellow from Kiss Colors, and I'm going to mix those two colors up. The reason I mixed the two versus just buying lime green color is because no stores had lime green in stock. This is really a trial and error thing. You have to see what mixtures work for you to get what color it is you want. So I'm dipping my hand in the water to see if I needed to add more yellow or more green. As you can see, this bundle was a lot more yellow, which is exactly what I wanted. Make sure you fully saturate the hair, that way you don't have any patchy spots. And I'm just going to let all that hair sit for about 30 minutes to really pick up the color. Right here, I just put the frontal on a canvas block to show you that the color didn't pick up on the lace and that the lace is still a natural color. Be on the lookout for part 2 so I can show you how I installed this color on my client.